Hi everyone, I'm finally out fossil hunting again. I haven't been for a while, mainly because there's not been much out. When I have been, we've not had many storms or much rain, but I thought I'd come out today and yeah, see if there's anything about. So if I find anything, I'll let you know, so I'll catch you when I'm on the beach. So I'm here at Aldborough. I'm going to see if there's a safe way down to the beach. If not, then I'll probably pop down to Tunstall. Yeah, I'll catch you when I get down there. Well, I was not expecting this. The whole way down. Let's go. That's where you normally get down, and the whole thing is gone. So it doesn't look like having it down here. Okay, so I have got down. Not the easiest way down, so definitely not recommended for children or anyone that's not particularly agile. But yeah, we've got quite a few rocks to look through. So yeah, let's see what we can find. So we got this, but it looks like it's just worn out on the outside. We'll give it a hit though, and if there's anything in there, I'll show you. This is a promising looking nodule. It's a nice shape. Yeah, let's give it a hit and see if there's anything in there. Okay, so I've given it a hit, and there was definitely an ammonite in there, not being preserved very well, but let's see if there's anything salvageable. There's definitely one in there. Well, no, I think that's just not well enough. Shame. Okay, this looks interesting. It's like a nice shape and something definitely poking out. So I might give that a little tap and see what's in there. So I've just picked it up, and actually you can definitely see there's one in there. Whatever that is, so I'm not going to hit it just in case it wrecks it. I think that'll go straight to prep. Okay, so I found this, which is an interesting shape, and also it's got all kinds of shapes within it. So yeah, it might be worthwhile a hit. So yeah, if I find anything, I'll let you know. Sorry, I'm not going to do the hits on camera, but it's surprisingly cold still. It's early in the morning. So yeah, I need my gloves on. Is there anywhere better to be on a Thursday morning on the Holderness than on this stretch of coast? Beautiful. Okay, well this looks interesting. We've got this big stretch of rocks here. So yeah, looking forward to see what we can find in there. So I think this is the most spherical stone I've ever found. So hopefully there'll be something in there. Definitely worth a hit anyway. So if there is, I'll show you. Well, this would have been a beauty if it was intact and whole. Look at the size of that one. You can just see the outer keel and these bits. Yeah, shame that isn't all intact. Something caught my eye. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like there's a little bit of a ammonite stuck in there. So I'm going to give it a hit and see what it is. Well, there was one in there, but it hasn't preserved very well. And it's actually snapped when it's split. Interesting still. shape, nice colour. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, perfect. I'm not going to hit that and risk ruining it. We'll get that prepped. Very nice. Looks like we've got the bomb disposal team out, looking for bombs, so we might get a few bags in a bit. So I've just been speaking to one of the bomb disposal guys, and he says further up there's over 1,000 bombs, or whatever you would call them, ordnance. They've come out onto the beach, and he said about 20% of them are undetonated. So yeah, don't be messing about with any ordnance or bombs that you find on the Holderness Coast. Very dangerous. This is interesting. Saw this. I thought that looks like an ammonite keel. It's just in the mud. So whether there was one on there or not, I don't know. Right, this looks interesting. It's a good shape. Can't see any keel, so I think I'm going to have to give that a hit. See if there's anything in there, and hope that if there is, I don't damage it. So it has warmed up a bit and I'm out of the wind now, so I can do this on camera. Yeah, well, terrible split. So let's hope there wasn't anything in there. Yeah, there wasn't. So I picked this up and look at this. The one in there, it looks like an androg, I reckon. Yeah, nice. I'll give it a tap, I think, and see if it comes out. Looks like it should break fairly easily. Okay, so I've given it a tap. Haven't seen what it's going to look like, so hopefully it'll be a nice split. Oh yes, look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Well, I never thought to have a look in a rod like this, but clearly there was one in there. It's a bit battered and rotted, but yeah, interesting. I wouldn't really ever looked in this type of rock for an ammonite before, so I've learned something new. So I've come all the way down to the other side of the beach because sometimes down here you can get some gold pockets where all the metal materials all get grouped together by the waves, and quite often you can find some nice coins in there because up there have been farms and things in the past, and coins are falling down and then get deposited all into a little pocket. So yeah, I'm hoping there might be some pockets around here. You never know what you might find. So unfortunately it doesn't look like there are many gold pockets around today. Looks like the sand has covered most of them. So no luck with the gold pockets, but hopefully pick up another fossil or two on the way in. So I'll just give this a nice gentle tap. Yeah, beauty. Well, that's it everyone. I'm back to the start, so it's time to go. A bit of a windswept adventure, but it was totally worth it. Some really good finds. Started off very cold and then got a little bit warmer. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoy it, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll keep recording my fossil adventures. Catch you later.